Hey guys, it's me, Kara from Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and just wanted to share a really good sale that I just came across today. It is Saturday. It is at Target.com, and some are in the store only. It is Essie nail polish on sale for under $7. Not all shades are on sale, but I'm going to tell you the ones that are, and plus they're running a couple of promotions. So what the deal is if you buy 2 Essie nail polishes, you get a free gold Maybelline makeup bag. And also, if you spend $20 or more on any health and beauty, you get a $5 free gift card. That gets sent to you separately from your package if you choose to purchase these products online. So I bought 2 nail polishes. Let me give you the cheap ones. And some of these may be sold out in the stores close to you. Some may be online only, and some may be in store only. Okay, so Moochie Moochie is $3.14. Gogenza is $5.49. I bought that one. S'il vous plaît is $4.48. Hot in the Heat is $4.69. Uh, Fiji, Turquoise and Caicos, Butler Please, Beautiful Horizon, and Ladylike are all just under $7. Unfortunately, Turquoise and Caicos is in store only, and I'm really sad because I want that. But we'll see what happens. I could make a Target run later on today. Saint Tropez is $4.49, and I did buy that one. So just wanted to tell you guys, today's Saturday. Deal is in store and online at Target stores and Target.com. If you buy the 2 nail polishes, you get the makeup bag. And then I would suggest buying a little bit more so that you can reach that $20 threshold and get the $5 gift card. All you gotta do, buy toilet paper, buy deodorant, whammo, you're over $20. So I hope that helped you, and sorry for the drowned rat hair, but I wanted to get this information out to you as soon as I could, okay? I'll be back with some more deals. And thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe. When we hit 100 subscribers, there will be a beauty giveaway. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.